I can't believe I'm saying this, but stimulus checks are going out in 2024. So people are getting $550 checks. Some Americans are getting $2,400 checks. Yes, stimulus checks are still going out. I'll give you the latest updates with that. Switching gears to universal basic income, looks like a few of the pilot programs have proven very successful, and more universal basic income programs or guaranteed income programs are starting to pop up around the country, which brings up the question, what about those $1,200 monthly checks on a federal level, meaning that every single person in the country would receive $1,200 on a monthly basis for the next 5 years? That legislation was introduced into Congress in 2023. Now that we're in 2024, could that become a reality because of all the universal basic income success with all those guaranteed income programs across the country? I'm going to give you all the details on that. I'll give you the latest updates on latest guaranteed income programs that may be in your area, and I'll give you some other important updates as well. Before I dive into the main content, if you appreciate these updates, hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel for more updates like this, plus social security updates. And this video is sponsored by my company, YSense. If you or anyone you know is looking to increase your credit score, got my information down in the description below. All right, so let's get into it here. Stimulus check update. Will there be more direct payments in 2024? That's the big question. Short answer, yes, there will be, but not on a federal level, on a state level. So I scroll down here. Some of the states that are still giving out checks are Pennsylvania, Alaska, Massachusetts, Minnesota, Montana, New Mexico, Washington, and more states. More specifically, if we get into some numbers here, stimulus check update. Residents in this state qualify for $550 rebate check in 2024. So this is going on in the state of Michigan. So starting 2024, 700,000 families in Michigan will earn rebates around $550. So if you are a family in Michigan, it looks like you could get up to $550 there. And then when it comes to another state, Texas direct payment, who is eligible to receive payment of up to $2,400 in Texas. So these checks are going out to retired teachers. So retired teachers between age 70 and 74 will receive 2,400 checks by the end of this year, while those over 74 are eligible for payment of up to $7,500. So if you're a teacher in Texas, looks like you got some more checks coming your way. When it comes to other forms of income coming on a regular basis, looks like guaranteed income programs pick up steam. So dozens of cities are running pilot programs to show that direct cash assistance is an effective way to address poverty. Critics warn that offering money without work requirements or any strings attached will backfire. Well, what is the proof of the actual guaranteed income programs that have been going on around the country? I'm going to read a few headlines for you. Guaranteed income programs for expectant mothers spreading across the U.S. Results of St. Paul Guaranteed Income Pilot Program shows increased employment, improved outlook. So what came out of this? Looks like people who received the money in St. Paul in Minnesota actually used the money for savings as well as finding some type of place to live, some type of shelter, apartment, or something like that. So the money actually was used for something good. Then also here, homeless people in Vancouver were given $5,500 cash, no strings attached. They used it to secure housing and even start saving. So 50 homeless people in Vancouver were given a one-time, no strings attached stipend of Canadian $7,500, which equals 5,500 US dollars. Researchers found that these people spent 99 fewer days unhoused and increased savings. Initiatives like Universal Basic Income Program in Stockton, California has shown similar results. So as a result of this, we're seeing more universal basic income programs pop up in different areas around the country. For example, this one, a Texas county plans to give low-income residents in the Houston area $500 a month as part of a guaranteed income pilot program. The country is using $20.5 million in COVID relief fund for the program. So there's still some COVID money left over from that. And Harris County says similar programs have shown wide-ranging social and financial benefits. So my question to you is, what are your thoughts on universal basic income? Should there be more on a local basis? Should there be a federal universal basic income program? Makes you wonder about all that money going abroad. What if it was used locally? Rather than using it for other conflicts around the world, what if it was used to help out the American people, especially those who are suffering the most? Take a look at this right here. Stimulus update, new proposal could give Americans $1,200 monthly checks. So this was a proposal. It was actually in Congress. The details on it right here. Super slow today. All right. So the details. The proposal is called the Support Act. So this is actually in Congress last year in 2023, which means that it will have to be resubmitted for 2024. Basically, the way Congress works is any bills that did not pass in the year 2023 have to be resubmitted. That includes the dozens of Social Security bills that I've spoken about in my other videos. Those have to be resubmitted in 2024 in order for them to pass. That was just a side note. But anyways, the Support Act would send $1,200 to every adult and $600 per month to every child through local governments via cash payments for a 5-year period. So, could this happen? If their money, instead of money going abroad, was actually used to help out the American people, would you be in support of a $1,200 per month check given to you on top of whatever else you're making, no strings attached? Let me know down in the comments below if you think that's a good idea, as more pilot programs are still happening now on a local basis. A lot of people are still holding out for it on a federal basis. At the time, we don't have any details on where the money would come from, but it's a really cool idea. I think it would help out a lot of people, especially those who are most vulnerable and in need for the money. Anyways, that is all the news that I have for you today to hopefully brighten your day a bit. Here's my daughter Bella's tip of the day.
Hi guys, this is Bella. This is the tip of the day. I want to tell you something that you should do. So every time you make mistakes, you make mistakes, and you only have one life. So clean those up and make a new world. And also, what you should do is you should always be passionate with what you have, because that next time it won't be there, but still you'll be there. So you guys are great and good, and learn by your mistakes. So bye.
Thank you so much for watching. Appreciate your support. If you want to see the Social Security changes that are starting now that we're in January, 7 big changes to your Social Security check, you're not going to want to miss this video right up here. You could click that video and I'll see you in that video. Take care. Be safe. Thank you for watching.